Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this gentle movement to revitalize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle hip opener, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Release and lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your left hand to your right leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Release and lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.